back. Today, let us discuss how to find the midpoints. Midpoints, say the next topic is midpoints and distance. So, let us go with the midpoints. Already we know that if I have a line, so I have 2 points. The first point is x1 y1 x1 comma y1, and the second point is x2 comma y2. So I need to find the midpoint of the line. So usually how to find the midpoint? If you have any number, say if I have 5, how to find the mid value? 5 by 2. So 2.5 is the mid value. Same thing here also applies. So to find the midpoint, the formula is x1 plus x2 divided by 2 comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So if you sum the x1 and the x2 point divided by 2 and the summation of y1 plus y2 divided by 2 gives the midpoint. Clear? Now, keeping this in the mind, we shall go for a small problem. For example, find the coordinates. Find the coordinates of the midpoint of the line. Line segment AB joining A have the point 2 comma 13 and B point is 6 comma 16. Okay, so we need to find the midpoints. Solution. We know that WKT in short. So the midpoint equals summation of x1 and x2 divided by 2 comma summation of y1 and y2 divided by 2. We get 2 plus 6, x1 is 2, x2 is 6 divided by 2 comma 13 plus 6, y1 and y2 divided by 2, which equals 8 by 2 comma 29 by 2. Simplify, 8 by 2 is 4, so the midpoint is 4 comma 29 by 2, 14.5. So this is how we find the midpoint. Clear? You should also have to learn that to find the distance between 2 points, you use the Pythagoras theorem. So to find the distance between 2 points, you have to use the Pythagoras theorem. With the length of two shorter side being the difference between the x coordinate and the difference between the y coordinates of the 2 points. In more formal terms, if you know or are given coordinates of 2 points x1 y1 and the x2 y2, then you can use the formula for the distance. So how to find the distance between the 2 points? So to find the distance, we have to use the Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem states that the distance from the using the Pythagoras theorem, you can find the distance is the root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So if we have some distance between 2 points, so this is x1 y1 x2 y2. So how to find the distance between the 2 points? So if we make this as a right angle triangle, then the hypothesis is the distance. How to find the hypothesis? So this is the hypothesis. This hypothesis you will learn in the higher classes. Okay. Now, as per now, just remember the Pythagoras theorem that d equals x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Okay. So how come x2 minus x1? Because how I need to find this distance. Okay. That means this is the x1 value and this one is the x2 value. So the distance is x2 minus x1. Similarly, here lower value is y1, the higher value is say y2. So distance between this one is the y2 minus y1. So obviously, what is this one? That this one is the square root of x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1. Clear? So here also we see some example. For example, we can use the same. I need to find the distance. Already we have the point. We have 2 points is given. I need to find the distance between the 2 points. I take the same example. So we have the first point, say A is 2 comma 13 and B is 6 comma 16. Since and we know the formula, the distance between the 2 points d equals root of 6 minus x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1 the whole square equals root 16 plus 9 equals 16 plus 9 is 25. We can say how what is the root? 5 cross 5, product of 5 and 5 is 25. So we take the root of 25 is 5. So hence the distance between the 2 points is 5 centimeter or 5 millimeter is depending upon the what metric they use. Clear? Understand? See you guys. Have a great day.